In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter on Squarespace. Easy 2025 Guide. First, head to your website and open the page where you want the sign up to live. This could be your homepage, your blog, or a dedicated landing page. Once you're there, enter editing mode by clicking Edit. You'll see the page outline and all the editable areas light up. Now, add space for your form. Click Add Section, then choose Add Blank. A blank section gives you a clean slate so the newsletter sign-up stands out and is easy to style. Click inside that new section and select Add Block. You'll see the block library appear. Use the search bar to quickly find what you need, then select Newsletter to insert a built-in email sign-up form. With the block on the page, use the on-screen controls to place it exactly where you want. If a highlight appears in your interface, follow it to adjust alignment, width, or position so the form feels balanced with your page content. Next, give the form an